Welcome to Everyday Mathematics. Today we are looking at problem 16 of the MIT Integration B qualifying exam 2014, which is the indefinite integral of x times the secant squared of 4x. So this is a fairly interesting problem. Let's see how we may be able to solve it. Problem is x secant squared 4x, right? Now this we know to be true. The derivative of is this we know to be true, right? And so the derivative of tangent nx is equal to n sec squared nx, right? So we're going to use these beautiful differentiations, right? So if x is our problem, then this is the same as x times the derivative of a quarter, because if we let's just write this first of all down. We're using this a quarter because normally when you differentiate tangent of 4x, you get 4 secant squared 4x. So this a quarter is able to cancel out the 4 so that we have just secant squared 4x. Now we can now use our famous integration by parts. So if you have a product of the function v and the derivative of a function u, when you integrate that, you get u times v minus the integral of function u and the derivative of v. Another beautiful identity. Now, important to note that in our expression here, u happens to be a quarter for tangent 4x, and v is x. So our problem now, x times the derivative of a quarter tangent 4x is going to be equal to a quarter at a quarter tangent tan 4x. That is the product of u and v, u being a quarter tangent 4x and v being x, minus the product of the derivative of v, which is the derivative of x, is going to be 1 times u, so which is just going to be a quarter tangent 4x. So this is the same as a quarter x tangent 4x minus a quarter of sine 4x over cosine 4x. Okay, so we've come to a point where we have a quarter x tangent 4x, the integral of a quarter sine 4x over cosine 4x. So this now is the same as a quarter, the derivative of a quarter of negative a quarter cosine 4x over cosine of 4x. So what is important to see, sine 4x is same as the derivative of a quarter, negative a quarter for a quarter cosine 4x. But we also know that when you're integrating a function which consists of a fraction whose numerator is the derivative of fx over, and the denominator is fx. This is the same as the natural logarithm of fx plus c. So we know that to be true. So what we can see here is we have this a quarter that we can pull out and becomes, so let's just simplify that. If has been pulled out, now we have cosine 4x over cosine 4x. And since we now know that we can just now pull in and use the natural logarithm of cosine 4x plus the integration constant. So that is our answer. So we can just summarize this and say x times the secant squared of 4x integrated is equals to a quarter x tangent 4x plus 1 over 16 natural logarithm of cosine 4x, the integration constant. And that is our answer, ladies and gentlemen. So thank you so much for your attention. Until next time, bye-bye.